Unawain po natin what is All Saints Day, what is All Souls Day, what are their original intent, why they were observed, ano ba yung kanilang mga layunin, purpose, yung kanilang original intent, bakit sila sinimulang observe ng mga Christians, at what are the difference between the two. All Saints, All Souls, what are the difference between the two? Is there a difference? The answer is yes. Alright. So, to begin with, let me explain it. All Saints Day focus on honoring or remembering and celebrating all saints. Take note ng the word saints. Tinutukoy po dito saints, mga banal, mga santo, ika nga nila. So, ang tinutukoy po talaga dito ay mga saints. Hindi yung mga namatay lang, no? Kasi ang common understanding or common knowledge ng maraming tao, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, pagdating na November 1, tinatawag nilang undas. Ang alam nila, ang pagkakaalam nila, ang pagkakaunawa nila, pag undas, November 1, aalalahanin yung mga namatay na mga mahal sa buhay. Which is, to tell you frankly, that is incomplete. Why incomplete, Bishop Lopez? Because again, the focus, the original intent, bakit po ito ginawa nung unang panahon, ay hindi lamang para alalahanin yung mga yumaong mga mahal natin sa buhay. It comes from the word saints. So, ang focus po talaga nito ay alalahanin at i-celebrate to get inspiration from the lives of saints who have lived before us many years ago. Ang focus po talaga ng araw na ito ay pagtuunang pansin